Our Drones for Good entry focuses on disaster relief, specifically on wireless search and rescue. Quickly locating the victims of a disaster is very important, particularly if they require medical care. But this can be extremely challenging. We are developing a rapidly deployable unmanned aerial system that can locate trapped people and assess the number of people in the impacted area by observing Wi-Fi and cellular signals emanated by cellular phones.
Our drone looks for activity in cellular uplink frequencies, the frequencies used by mobile phones to communicate with cellular base stations. Our drone uses directional antennas, so we know which direction the signal came from. The signal strength gives an indication of how far away the person is, or how far under rubble they may be. Using multiple readings for a given device, we can quickly triangulate a particular phone.
We plan to design a drone from the ground up specifically for wireless search and rescue. We will integrate a directional antenna for cellular scanning directly into the frame of the drone. This will increase the stability and payload capacity of our drone. We will operate a Wi-Fi hotspot to collect information from and distribute information to disaster victims and first responders. Finally, our drone can use directional Wi-Fi antennas to establish long-range wireless links, creating a high-speed internet backbone even in areas with limited infrastructure.